ladies, we are thrilled to invite you to Shoe Elegance's exclusive end-of-year sale. A rare opportunity to elevate your wardrobe with the last pairs of our stunning women's boots at discounts of up to 65%. These exceptional savings are your chance to own premium European crafted footwear designed to blend style, comfort, and durability. Our collection includes must-have styles, such as sleek black leather ankle boots with double buckles, ideal for enhancing both casual and formal outfits. Every pair is crafted with care, featuring naturally tanned leather for a luxurious feel, calfskin lining for superior comfort, and durable rubber soles for reliable traction wherever you go. These timeless boots are more than just footwear, they're an investment in quality and sophistication. Whether you're stepping into a busy day or an elegant evening, these boots are designed to keep up with your lifestyle without compromising on style. But don't wait too long. This sale is exclusive and stock is limited. These styles are selling fast. Visit shopeliganshows.com now to explore the full collection and secure your favorite pair before they're gone. Step into the new year with elegance and confidence thanks to Shoe Elegance. We can't wait to see you shine in your new boots.